Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Ziggo Internet. First, let's get everything ready. You'll want to unpack your new Connect box and make sure all the parts are there, like the power adapter and coaxial cable. Then, find the main cable connection point in your home, usually a wall socket. Having your activation code or account details handy will also make the process much smoother. Now, let's connect your Connect box. Take the coaxial cable and firmly screw one end into the wall socket and the other end into the data port on your Connect box. Next, plug the power adapter into the Connect box and then into an electrical outlet. Once powered on, the lights on the Connect box will start blinking. Please be patient. It can take up to 15 minutes for them to stabilize and show a steady connection. With your Connect box connected, it's time to activate your service. You can connect a computer or smartphone to the Connect box using either Wi-Fi, using the details on the sticker, or an Ethernet cable. Open your web browser, and you should automatically be redirected to the Ziggo activation page. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, entering your personal details and the activation code provided by Ziggo to complete the setup. Sometimes, things don't go perfectly, but don't worry. If you're not getting internet, first double-check that all your cables are securely connected. A simple restart of your Connect box by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and then plugging it back in often resolves minor glitches. If you've tried these steps and still have no connection, don't hesitate to reach out to Ziggo customer support for further assistance. They are there to help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.